Place bottom half of bread, English muffin, bagel, or biscuit onto the bottom plate. Okay, there's the ham in there. Top bread with ingredients, all right, such as meats, vegetables, cheese. Okay, cheese. And I think I've seen online people throw bacon on it, but we're going to just use bacon bits. Okay. Okay. Lower the cooking ring. Bonk. Okay, done. Wow. Now. Oh, okay. Oh, that's not bad. Put the egg in it. All right. And then we put the other muffin on top. Drop this on top. And then drop this down. And move this plate, okay? Ooh. So this is going to drop that down on the other thing. And then open it. Oh,
well, you need to
see what we made. It's going to be too hot to eat, I think. Oh. But look at this. Who could have a piece of bacon? We have a little piece of bacon. Let me see how hot the bacon is. Bacon's okay. Okay. Chef approved. Hang on. I think maybe this is going to be cool enough for me to eat. I'll burn my lip. Actually, this is very good.
Oh, good, good.
Wow.
Who knew?
I guess we have dinner.